How to enter a supplier invoice in Zoho Books. Need to record a supplier invoice in Zoho Books? Let's do it step by step. Log into Zoho Books and then from the left menu, head over into the Purchases tab and look for Bills. So from here, go ahead and click on New Bill at the top right. And then from here, go ahead and select the supplier from your contacts, enter the bill number, bill date, and due date. Add items or services from your catalog, enter quantity, rate, and tax, and for general expenses, choose the right expense account instead. Upload a copy of the supplier's invoice for record keeping and audits. Check the totals, and Zoho Books calculates subtotal taxes and total automatically, so click on Save to record the bill. If you've already paid, choose Save and Record Payment, and then select the payment mode and confirm. And that is how to enter a supplier invoice in Zoho Books.